Hello friends, in this video I provide you the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 review. First let's see the overview of this product. This is a tiny, smart and powerful vacuum cleaner, as you can see. And these are the features provided by this product. Suck up all kinds of dirt. 5000 PA powerful suction fan blower. No need for frequent dustbin emptying or water tank filling. 400 ml dustbin and 270 ml water tank. Stimulates manual cleaning. Zigzag and Y-shaped cleaning routes, smart hands-free cleaning, quickly identify room layouts, control remotely through your smartphone, and multiple sensors will be available on this product. Simulates manual cleaning for greater efficiency. Clean the floor in one pass. Equipped with 4000 PA powerful suction fan blower and 3 power modes. It easily eliminates dust and hair from the floor and hard to reach crevices, giving your floor a deep clean. 2-in-1 large capacity dustbin with water tank. Say goodbye to frequent dustbin emptying and water tank filling, as you can see. New dustbin dust barriers. Lock the dust inside the dustbin to avoid secondary contamination. Significantly improve cleaning efficiency. Smart mapping and route planning, as you can see. 360-degree detection range provided by this vacuum cleaner, as you can see here. Here you can see the additional features of this product like accurate identification of surroundings, precise and fast mapping, fewer missed corners, smart docking for charging and fewer navigation errors, map memorization to minimize repeated cleaning, operate as usual even in the dark. While this is a good product and the people provide their reviews about this product is mostly are positive. So if you purchase this product, I provide the link in description. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.